Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I can see a lot of you are here. Okay, I've been waiting for some time. I just came to the studio, saw all of you waiting. Okay, so I didn't want to start late. I'm here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So I can see Bhagya. Good morning. Samarth, Sahana, Nandu, Deepak. Okay. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. All right. So why I'm here? I'm here because I saw, last night that you guys were watching my sessions, okay, which I recorded a couple of days back, which was live a couple of days back. So I thought, it's better to come here and stand with you guys at the last minute and say that yes, we have done a lot of work. We have done good amount of work. Just be happy, trust yourself, and one last revision. And since I saw the trend of some questions, okay, coming your way in the maths, in the physics and chemistry from PU1, so I've come here today to analyze questions of PU1 chapters. Okay, so we'll do most of PU1 chapters today. We'll solve questions on PU1 chapters today. Again, I've taken some PU2 questions as well, but we'll be solving question on PU1 chapters today as well. Okay. Yeah, so you're saying, sir, will you cover full syllabus? Yeah, bacha, so I'll be doing what? I'll tell you what I'll be doing. So I'll talk about everything in detail, okay? So first of all, I'll be focusing on PU1 first thing. Then I've taken some questions from PU2 also, okay? One more thing, I'm not giving you any formulas or something today because I already given the formulas in the previous, in the evening yesterday, okay? If you want, you can just go ahead right now, download the PDF and come back. Okay, have the PDF with you. So I've given all the formulas yesterday in one of the session. In one place I've given, and I've given the PDF directly. Means if you want, you can you don't have to watch the video. Use the PDF. Okay. So no need of that. Good morning, Knowledge Games. Good morning, Shetty. Okay. Good morning, Anushri. So what we have coming today in the session. Okay. So please have a look. So first thing what we're going to do, bacha, is talk about our paper trend. Okay, we'll see our PYQ trend. So first thing will be, we're gonna look into PYQ trend. Okay. First thing that we're gonna do today is look into PYQ trend. Means we want to know exactly what we have done, and it's going to be very, very accurate what we are doing today. Okay. So PYQ trend we're gonna look at. Okay. Second thing will be, please check. We'll start with the questions on PU1. Start with the questions on PU1. Okay, again we'll take most important and relevant PYQs. Most important and most relevant PYQs. Okay, most relevant PYQs. Next we'll see some useful trick. Means not all the tricks, only which is coming in the examination. I've taken those today. Okay, so means directly useful tricks we'll take. We'll see that part. And lastly we'll be doing what? Lastly we'll be doing,
आपको बोला था कुछ हेल्प करने के लिए,
नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हाँ. So lastly we'll be doing what? We'll do some PU2 PYQs. Again very much relevant PYQs. Means again very important PYQs of PU2 also will do. Okay, then we'll close the session. All right, so again you can ask me your last one, your doubts, your queries, okay? So like that you have. Chaliye. So this is my plan today. I hope this is okay, guys. Yeah, so let's begin. So session will be, bacha, I will be here only. You can leave whenever you feel that you are done. You can leave, not a problem. Okay, but session, there's no length. I've not decided anything. 1.5 hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hour, whatever the time is, I'll be here. So I've taken almost around total, if you check these questions, I've taken almost 60 questions, 50 to 60 questions I've taken today. So I'm going to do that in PU1 and PU2 both together. In PU1 I've taken all the chapters. Okay, in PU2 I've not taken all the chapters because already those things are done. Okay, I've only taken the relevant PYQs today. Okay, that is okay. Chaliye, let's start. Okay, so please check the chapter wise trend. If you check, what is very important to understand over here is from the PU1, this is all PU1. Okay, these are all PU1 chapters. Sets, relation, trigonometric functions, all these are PU1 chapters. These are all PU1 chapters, right? So you can see the trend of the previous years. If you look at just these last 2 years, right, you have 1 mark, 2 marks like this. 3 marks came from trigonometric function, but not directly. Okay, means the question was used in the case of calculus also. Okay, so 1 mark over here. On an average 1 mark. Sequence series had 2 questions previous year and then no questions in the 2023. Okay, so likewise questions are coming. Straight lines 1 question. So overall 1 question. Now which chapters to pick over here? Which chapters to pick? Very simple chapters. Pick this one. pick this chapter over here, simple chapter, pick this over here, simple chapter. This is a mandatory, you can't skip that part. This also is a simple chapter, so please pick this chapter. Okay, so basically you have to follow these, means this should be there with you. This is a must. Okay, simple ones. These are simple chapters that if you want, you can take it directly. Some concepts are there in this chapter, so I'm going to discuss those today. You can focus on that. Okay, and which is the minimum effort, you can get the maximum output. Okay, simple chapters that we have. All right, so these only. If you want, you can use the probability as well. So you can see I've taken 3 question chapters over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 10 chapters I've taken in this case. And PU2, of course, all of them are there. But I'm talking about easy ones, right? So these are the easy ones. Star mark means easy chapters. Please check. Okay, these are all easy chapters, bacha. You can give your energy over here and get, trust that. Revise. If you revise something, you have to revise these chapters. Okay, AOT is important. If you want, you can skip the integrals. If you want, you can do some simple questions in the differential equations. Okay, vector algebra is again simple. 3 geometry is again simple. Again, this also is very simple. Okay, so total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've taken over there 10. Okay, we have over here please check, I think almost 16 chapters I've taken, bacha. So total 16 chapters that I've taken, you have to revise those only. Try to focus your energy on that, because they're very simple. Okay, so basically you see the category is like this. So 15 to 20 questions in this category we have. Okay, we have almost 30 questions over here, 15 questions in this case. Try to maximize over here yourself. You can score easily 40 marks. Okay, so this year they might ask 20 questions from here and 40. Usually they ask 15 questions there. You can expect this mix of 40-20 or 45 and 15. Likewise, you can revise the things. Okay, focus like that. So that's why I'm going to focus right now, starting from PU1. Let's begin. What we have in the PU1. So question number 1, starting over here, you can see the question. The domain of the function f r2 are defined by the function fx. Root of this condition is given. We are talking about domain, right? Means we are talking about x. We can factorize this. We have x square minus 7x plus 12, right? The factors will be x minus 3 and x minus 4. We know the factors. This has to be always either positive or equal to 0. It can never be negative. Okay, from here what I'm getting, please check. I have the number line over here. Write the factors 3 and 4. Okay, the coefficient of x is plus and plus. Right here, plus, minus, plus. Okay, I'm looking for positive, so my answer will become, please check, this reason and this reason. Okay, both inclusive because of the equal to sign. Answer will be option B. Please check. Yeah, option B is correct. Option B is correct. All right. Yeah. But class will go on till I will tell you 6:30, 7 o'clock. Okay, we'll not take it further than that. 6:30, 7 o'clock. At least maximum till 7 o'clock I'll be here. Okay. And again, if you want me to stay back for longer, I'll be here only. Okay, rise above. Good. Let's start. Next, what we have, NA is given as 2. Number of, what does this mean, bacha? Means cardinal number of set A is given as 2, and we have number of possible relations from A to B. How do you solve this kind of question? Okay, remember we have this given as 2 power cardinal number of the set A, basically NA into NB. Okay, this is the relation that we have to, basically we write this as m into n, remember. So this is equals to, they have given here 10, 24, we can write this as 2 power 10. Okay, and we have this side as 2 power, what is this, 2 times of, let's call this to be the letter m. If you compare over here, you get the value of m as simply 5. Value of m as simply 5. So this result is again very important. Please check. Please check. Okay, clear? I haven't slept for this stream, sir. Okay, cranium bacha, you need to take rest. Okay, if you're feeling bad, you should go ahead. You don't have to watch the session. Go ahead and take rest some right now, because it's very important to study, but also important to apply those whatever concept you have learned. It's important to perform as well. Okay, so please take some rest and then you go for the examination. Don't go like this. Don't be very tired and go in the examination. All right. So can you share the PDF? Yeah, bacha, I'll share the PDF. A PDF of what? The formula I've already given. This I'll share as soon as the session is over. I'll share in this chat only. The live, the comment section I'll share right away. Okay, once the session is over. Okay, chaliye. Let's start now. This question is clear, right? So you can see I have taken only those particular questions that I feel that is clicking like that, which has a little bit applied concept, not direct questions. That already formulas I've given. If you apply the formulas, that you can get easily. Okay. Sir, how? What, Peter Parker? What, how, bacha? I'm not getting your screen. Everyone, please check. Am I audible? Is the screen clear? Okay. Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello, Zmaki. What is your doubt, Peter Parker? Okay, next question. Yes, f2 to infinity is given, bacha. We are looking for function defined like this, range of f, right? So take this value as y function. We have x square minus 4x plus 5 as the function. I'm looking for range, means I'm looking for the values of y, the constraints on y, right? Domain means constraints on x, y, range means constraints on y. How do you solve it? Please check, very simple. X square minus 2 into x into 2 is making a formula, a square minus 2ab, add here plus 4 plus 1, plus 4 plus 1. Please check, a square, b square, 2ab. What I'm getting over here? I'm getting here y equals to x minus 2 the whole square, and I have here plus 1. Move this plus on this side, I get y minus 1 equals to x minus 2 the whole square. I can simplify this further. Y minus 1 in the root will become x minus 2. Constraint on y means this has to be positive, sir. Please check, y minus 1 has to be more than equal to 0. Okay, it means y has to be more than equal to 1. More than 1. Okay, please check. Achha, this is wrong. This should be open over here. Answer A is correct. More than 1 closed over here, infinity is open, right? Answer is A. Great, excellent work. Okay, hurry up fast. Okay, let's move on. Okay, our domain of the function, what is this, bacha? In the x we don't have any constraint, right? In the numerator we don't have any constraint. Only thing is available for this thing, means I have only one rule, that this can never be 0. This can never be 0. The denominator can never be 0. If it is 0 means undefined. Okay, it means mod of x can never be equal to minus 1. It means x can, plus 1, right? It means x can never be equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Done. Okay, so it means from all the real numbers, from x belongs to all real numbers, you're gonna remove minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1. These are not from minus 1 to 1, these are individual values, minus 1 and 1. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Is that clear? Please check. Okay, moving on now. All right, good morning, whoever are joining right now. Moving on, domain of the function given like this, 1 upon root of greatest integer of x square minus x, greatest integer of x minus 6. How do you solve this question, sir? Very simple. First step would be to take this as the function or a variable t. Now please check, this whole thing will become t square minus t minus 6 actually should be more than 0. Will we take equal to 0, sir? We can't take that because we have over here this in the denominator, right? We can't take that way. So we can factorize this. We'll have over here t minus 3, right? And we'll have t plus 2. Are the factors? Please check. Minus 6 is there, t square is there, minus 3t plus 2t is there. Hence, factors are correct. Take on the number line. We have the first number as minus 2. Next is 3. All is positive. So start from plus, minus, plus. I want only positive signs, right? So please check from here. I'm getting here value of t. Starting from where to where, bacha? Negative infinity to minus 2. Open because of this. There's no equality over here. There's no equal to sign over here. Union with 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. Is that clear? Okay. Now this is for t, right? I'm looking for this value. Please check. So if I take value, what does this mean, bacha? What does this part mean? This part means I can take any value between minus infinity and minus 2, right? I can take, let's say, minus 2.5 as t. Okay, apply in this, bacha. What do we have? X value, if I take like this, if I take x value like this, what is the answer going to be? Answer will be, sir, minus 3. Minus 3. Is that a problem? No. Basic thing is x, the value of this can never be what? Equal to 3. If you take this over here as 3, no, it will become 3 square minus 3 minus 6. It will become 0, right? We can't take 3, right? So this is okay. And in this part, all good. But check here, if I take this value as 3 point something, if I take this value as 3 point, we have what? Starting from 3 is open. I can't take 3, but 3 is open. I can take here, let's say, 3.1. What is the answer, bacha? 3 only. If I take 3.999, what is the answer, sir? 3 only. Means I cannot take a number before 4. If I do that, I'll end up with 3 only, which will give me, this will be becoming 0. This will become 0. I can't do that, okay? It means that I have to start from, actually, for the x, I have to start from negative infinity to minus 2. That's okay. Union with, actually, 4 to infinity. Close 4 and till infinity. Option has to be, please check, option has to be A. It's a very good question. It's a very, very good question. Please check. Okay. Okay, option has to be A, sir. Great. Moving on to next question now, as you can all see. Okay, the domain of this function, I'm going to apply for both the functions, for this and this constraints. What I'll have for this first one, x plus 2 should be more than or equal to 0. Correct, na? It's in the numerator, so I can write here x should be greater than or equal to minus 2 from here. And what about this from here, bacha? I get 1 minus x should be again positive, not equal to positive. It means from here I get x should be less than 1. X should be less than 1, right? Yeah. So I'm getting here x should be less than 1 and more than minus 2. Minus 2 is over here, 1 is over here. They're saying close in this side on this arrow, okay, and this is saying open and this side. Means, sir, we can take this option, no, minus 2 to 1, minus 2 to 1, minus 2 is close, please check, and 1 is open. That's my answer. No, sir, you cannot take x value as 0. Please check. If you take value of x as 0, no, there will be a problem. It will become log of 1 with the base 10. What is the answer going to be? 0. If you take x value as 0, it will become log of 1. So it will become 0. 1 by 0 will be undefined. This will become 0. It will become 1 by 0 means undefined. Means I cannot take 0 actually. I cannot take 0. It means simply answer will become minus 2 to 0. Here closed, here open, union. What we have? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Option will be D. Option will be D. Please check. Okay, so I hope you are able to recall these concepts now. Yes, very good. I can see the comments. All of you are okay giving the answers. Excellent. So let's continue from here. Raju Nayak, what you can't understand, bacha? Which part you can't understand? This part you can't understand? Very simple. No, apply the domain constraint for two functions separately. This should be positive or equal to 0. This should be more than 0. Log definition is what? 1 minus x should be more than 0. Great. Okay. All right. So let's continue. Come on. Okay, guys. We have next question. If tan a plus cot a is 2, I'm looking for tan power 4 and cot power 4. Please check. Tan a plus cot a is given as 2, right? What I'm going to do? Take the whole square, because I'm looking for power 4. I have to end up with tan square first, then only I can go with tan power 4. So a square and a square, I get this value as tan square a plus cot square a, and plus we'll have 2 tan a cot a, right? 2 tan a and cot a, sir, plus 4 I have. This is going to be cancelled. Okay, we'll have only 1 over here. This will become simply, please check, tan square a plus cot square a equals to 4 minus 2, right? This 2 will all go in this side, so it will become same thing, 2. Now again, if you take the whole square, you'll have this value, bacha, same thing. Okay, I'll write this step. 1 second. Yeah. Yes. Tan square a plus cot square a, the whole square, if you're gonna do, no, you'll have this side again. This is going to be 2, right? So you'll have 2 square. Separate this, you get the same thing. Even if the power is 4, will be 2 only. Will be 2 only. Please cross check. Okay, please cross check. Got it? All of you got it? Everyone, please check. Uzmaki, Chiru, Mahadev. Option is D, bacha. Option is D. You can do that, but isn't that this is easy actually? Don't you think this is easy? You can try this. I'm also always telling this. Any math question can be solved in more than one ways. If you're getting your way done, if you're getting that is easy for you, try that. Not a problem if you're getting the same result. But this, I feel this is easier. Okay. Let's move on now. Next question. The value of cos of 1200 and tan of 1485. This is again from the PU1. You can see 2021 question. How do you solve this question, sir? You can write this as cos of 360 times of 3 plus, okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, I'll have 2 over here, so 120 degree I'll have for this, and for this we'll have plus tan of please check, 4 into 360 plus 45 we will have in this case, 45. Okay, so if you solve this, you're gonna get here cos of 120. For this you're gonna get tan of 45. How much is this? This is 1. This will be minus 1 by 2, because second quadrant, right? Second quadrant 120 degrees, right? This is 120 degrees. Second quadrant cos is negative, that's why minus 1 by 2 plus 1. It means answer will be 1 by 2. You have to be quick in your calculations. Please check. Okay. Had fun? Yes. All right, sir. So this is clear. Okay. This is clear. Very good. Okay. Next, the trigonometric functions y equal to tan x in the second quadrant. Same rule. Do one thing applies from the graph. You can see very easily. This is the curve. but this is going to be the constraint is from where to where? Minus pi by 2 to, this is pi by 2, right? Pi by 2. Next set of the graph will come like this again. Please check, it will be like this again. Same thing. This will be minus pi by 2 to pi. Please check. Increasing from this point is called as negative infinity. This is 0. Okay. So starting from negative infinity to we are going to 0. This is increasing, right? So infinity to 0 is increasing from where to where? If you take in the interval pi by 2 to pi. So increases, right? Talking about second quadrant. Now please check. This is pi by 2. This is pi, sir. Correct. Second quadrant means pi by 2 to pi. Okay. So I'll have the value to be this has the constraints on the domain, and range will be this increasing. So option D will be correct. Please check. Option D will be correct. Alright, yes, I can see all of you getting the answers now. Very happy to see the correct answers. Again, a very simple question. Conversion of radian to the degree form. Pi by 32. How do you convert it, sir? 180 by pi, right? 180 by pi. Pi is cancelled. We have 180 by 32. Divide this with, I can do with 4, right? 4 8s are. It will become 4 4 the 16. And I have again 2 left. 20, we have 45. Please check. So it will become 8 5 is a 40. Correct now? 5 is a 40 plus 5 is 45. So I can go about this 5 degrees, right? Okay. And we have 5 by 8 degrees only. I want to write in minutes. So I'm going to multiply this with 60. Okay, 60. I get here, please check. 4 2s are 8. And I get this as 15, right? Okay, this is now this whole value is in minutes actually. Let's continue. I'm getting here 5 degrees. That is clear. This is nothing but 15 into 5. So 75 by 2 minutes. Okay, let's convert again. So we'll have this 5 degrees will be getting 3 and 7, 37, 1 by 2 minutes, right? So I have 5 degrees, 37 minutes and half minute, right? It'll become 5 degrees, 37 minute and 30 seconds. Half minute is 30 seconds, right? That's your answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, chali. All right, works. Great, great, great. Everyone is getting the right answer. I'm very happy, bacha. Extremely happy for all of you. Okay, so please check over here. I'm starting from 2 cos 8 theta. There is a formula. What is that formula? 1 plus cos 2x is nothing but, please check, it'll become simply 2 cos square x. Simply 2 cos square x. That's the formula we're gonna use. First, for this bracket we'll have, we can take 2 common. I'll have 1 plus cos please check 8 theta. So this will give me 2 times of 2 cos square 4 theta, right? This angle was 2x over here, it became half of that. So 8 theta will become 4 theta. Okay, now this thing is in the root, so I can again take this 2 and 2 is there, 1 2 will come out, this will become simply cos, so it will be 2 cos 4 theta. Okay, next this 2 will come, so we'll have plus 2 in the root one more time. Okay, we'll again take 2 common, we'll have 1 plus cos 4 theta. Please check, in the root this thing will become one more time, please check, 2 times of 2, this will become bacha 2 cos square 2 theta, 2 cos square 2 theta. Okay, if you take this root, this will result into, please check, 2 will come out from this 2 into 2 and you will have cos 2 theta. We have one last 2, right? So we write here 2 plus 2, one more time, you get the result one more time as 2 into simply cos theta outside. Answer is option number C. Option number C. Please check. Please check. This is clear? Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Next one. Next one. Yes. Pakka. All right. But we have the value of e power log 10. Log with the base 10, tan 1, tan 2, like this. Log is there. Log is there. Forget about this e right now. We have logs over here. So write this relation first. Write the series. Log 10 tan 1 degrees all the way till log 10. It's all in plus only, right? Log 10 tan 89 degrees. We can write this in multiplication. So log 10 tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Remember, tan 1 and tan 89 bacha is how much? I can write this as simply, please check. I'll have over here log 10, write this as tan 1 degree into somewhere I'll have tan 45, right? Okay, and again we'll have please check, this will be tan 89 will become bacha. So before this we'll have all tans. Before this we'll have tan 1, tan 2, tan 3 till tan 44. After this we'll have cots. So it will become, next will be cot 40, please check 44. Okay, tan 46 will become cot 44, and last will be sir what? Please check, last will be cot 1 degree. So cot 1 and tan 1 bacha becomes 1. Everything will be 1 only. We get log of 1 with the base. Please check, with the base 10. Answer will be 0. And what we have last we have e to the power the same thing, 0. Answer will be 1. Option C is correct. Excellent question. Everyone is clear in this? Please check. Yeah. If sine come bacha, then we'll have different property. Angle will be different. Sine 0 might be there. So please check if then they'll give you sine 0 also. So sine 0. Bacha, these kind of questions, no, they try to give you for a value where it becomes 0. Okay. Sine is given, then they have an angle 0 over here. If they've given cos, they'll give you some value 90 over there. Okay. Wherever it's becoming 0. Getting my point? Alright. Okay. Works. Okay, given it here. All right, please check. Moving on. This I'm talking about if they are given sine with log. Understand this very clearly, guys. If they are given sine with log, okay, log of sine and all they've given, then they must give you somewhere 0 degree mentioned. If one term is sine 0 degree, what is the answer, bacha? 0 only, right? Everything will become 0. Same if they've given cos with the log, cos 90 has to be there somewhere. It will become, then what? That result will become 0. Whole thing will be 0. Works now? Okay. Yeah. Okay, in that case we'll have minus sign, no? We'll have 1 minus, 1 minus cos 2 theta will get for in the sine case. We'll have 1 minus cos 2 theta, sorry, cos square theta. Okay, yeah, cos 2 theta, sorry. It was 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta. This we're going to use. Got it? So we have now modulus, please check, mod of 3x minus 5 is less than equal to 2. Okay, from here what I get, 3x minus 5 should lie between minus 2 plus 2. Whenever you have this condition, mod of a is less than equal to some another number k. Remember this, a will lie between minus k2 plus k. That's the rule we use in GP as well, right? Move this 5 on both sides, we get 3 on this side. So we have 3x will become 7 over here. We get 1x and 7 by 3. 1 to 7 by 3. Option is C. Option is C. Please check. Okay. Option is C. Okay. Ashwini, which one you want to repeat? Which one is repeat, bacha? This one, look, tan 1, tan 2 was there, no, so tan 1 and tan 99 will become cot, okay, cot 1, so tan 1 and cot 1 will become 1, right, and you have everything will become 1 into 1 into 1, so you'll have log of 1 is how much? 0. That 0 if you take, because it is given e power log, okay, so if you take that, you're gonna get what? E power 0. What is the answer going to be? Simply 1. Okay, works. This question also is done, guys. This property you're gonna use over here. Next question. Given that a, b and x are real numbers and they've given a is less than b, they've given a is less than b, also x is negative. X is negative. We know this rule in in inequality. If you divide a number with negative sign, inequality reverses. Okay, so divide both of this side. If I divide, next step I'll write, not over here. Okay, I'll write on the next slide. So next step I mean, right here a by x and b by x. It's a negative number, means inequality will reverse, sir. It will reverse. What I get the answer, please check. Option B. Option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct. Yes, let's continue. Yes, guys, whoever wants to repeat, no, please go ahead and check back the questions. So this sum is, there are some PYQ, P1 question, not all of it. Now some major tricks, okay, especially in the case of limits, you can see this kind of property will be useful. I've taken one question over here, I'll show you as well. Okay, so whenever you're dealing with bacha, this kind of statements, whenever you have limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos of ax upon cos bx, we'll have the result directly as a square by b square, or basically you can write this as a by b the whole square. A by b the whole square. Please check. If I have this kind of case where I have limit x tends to infinity, we have a case of polynomial. What are you gonna get the result as? If the degree is same, check here. This is 2. This is also 2. Degree is same means answer will be a by p. Basically, the coefficient of x square and x square in the denominator. You're gonna take this as a by p. Highest degree is coefficient. Works. Okay. All right. Okay. Next what? Good morning. Good morning. So whenever you have similar degrees, no, you're gonna have this approach a by p. Okay. It can be cube. It can be 4 also, not a problem. It'll become always a by p. What if we have, sir, over here less? This is degree 2. This is degree 3. Whenever we have that, answer will be, please check, 0. Answer will be, please check, 0. Whenever you have this degree of numerator more than degree of denominator, answer will be, sir, infinity. In this limit, if they have given polynomial equations in polynomial forms in both numerator and denominator, if degree is less over here, limit will become 0 when x tends to infinity. Okay, and in the same case, when x tends to infinity, they have given, and this degree is more, degree of the numerator is more, it will become simply infinity. Please check. Okay, so I'll remove this markings. Okay, so this is clear, right, everyone? These are very helpful, bacha. These are very, very helpful. Okay. Yeah, it will be 0, correct. If numerator power is less than, I check here. If it is 2, it is 3, no? Answer is coming as 0. Yes, this is given by the real AK47. That's correct. Okay. Chaliye, let's move on now. So we'll move on to the next tricks that we have. Please check in the relation function, bacha, if you're looking for 1-1 function, no, there's a graphical method. If you know the graph, draw the graph, one intersection, drawing a line parallel to x-axis, get one intersection, 1-1, more than one, not 1-1, or simply many one. Okay, again, this is this is the graphical approach. Other is the algebraic approach. What are you gonna do? Find the derivative of the function. If it is greater than 0, only greater than 0, you call 1-1. Okay, if it is only less than 0, you call again 1-1 only. Means it has to be unique, either this or this. Okay, for this part you're gonna get the graph like increasing function graph you'll get. For this part you'll get the graph of decreasing function. Okay, so both the cases should not be together, only once, either positive or negative, not both. Then you can say that it is 1-1 function. Okay, chaliye. Great. This is one of the the ways, one of the tricks to look at these questions. Yes, Chiru, hi, tell me. Okay, what next? Fast, sir, I'm going fast only, bacha. On to function, please check what we have to apply. Try to substitute x as infinity. If you're getting fx also as infinity, that's your one way. Second is try to substitute x as negative infinity. You get fx as negative infinity. Okay, this will become, bacha, what? Onto function. This will become onto function. X tends to infinity, fx also tends to infinity. Okay, and then x tends to negative infinity, fx should also tend to negative infinity. The trick to identify onto function given to you. Okay, I've taken the examples over here, already discussed with all of you. We'll give you the sessions PDF. You can go through this. Okay, please check. So, bacha, yes, it'll go almost around 6:30, 7 o'clock. The session will go around 6:30, 7 o'clock. Please check. This is one of the highest important trick for all of you. Whenever they are asking you to do partial fraction questions, okay, how are you gonna do it? So basically, try to find the factors first. Look for the factors first. These are the factors, right? Sorry, in this case, zeros. Okay, x equals to 1, x equals to -2, and 3. Factors you got from there, you find the value of x where it is becoming 0. Got it? Basically zeros only. Now try putting one of them together. Okay, put x value as 1. Wherever is x, no, in this put this in the fraction, put x as 1, and whichever was making it 0, this was making it 0, put that in the log. Put that in the log. Of course, if it is log of x minus 1, you're going to divide by 1. In this case, you'll have log of x plus 2 divided by 1. If it was, let's say, 2x, you're going to divide by 2, right? Got it? If it was 2x, you're going to divide this by 2. Remember, log was there, no? Whatever is ax, you divide by that value a. Remember? Okay, please check. All right. So I'm telling that if it was a over here, but you're going to divide by a only, no, this whole thing. Okay, so basically you take this x value as 1, so replace everywhere x as 1, and whichever is making 0. Let's say if I take this 1 minus 1, I'll get 0 over here, right? So don't take that fraction, simply take that part as log. This time I'm taking x value as -2, everywhere x is -2, and simply take this wherever is making 0, x plus 2 in the log. Same thing over here, x value is 3, wherever is making 0, x minus 3 is making 0, so that factor you're going to take inside the log. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Very, very important, relevant to all of you. Okay, great. All right, so look at this question number, trick number 15. What we have, bacha? E power x. This is very important. Again, we have function and function derivative. It'll become simply e power x fx. Okay. When we have x f dash of x plus fx, answer will be x fx. Please check. X is not multiplied to the whole thing, only with the fx. Okay. When we have that, sorry, f dash of x. Okay. Answer will be x fx plus c. Everyone, the session will go at least, bacha, till 6:30. It might go a little longer also, but I'll try to complete before 7. Okay. I want to complete PU1 part at least first. If you want, you can leave after the PU1 part. Okay, chali. Okay, yes sir, taken bacha, taken a question. Okay, chali. Now we have take this trick together. So this is again very important, right? We have a question on this, remember? So if I have, let's say, root of tan x, I have root of tan x, and we have root of cot x over here, and we have plus root of tan x over here, starting from 0 to pi by 2 integration. They are asking, this is my integral I. Whenever you have this, please check. If you take pi by 2 plus 0 minus, if you replace this value of x as pi by 2 plus 0 minus x, basically bacha, pi by 2 minus x. If you put in the sign, it will become tan will become cot, okay, and cot will become tan. Whenever you have this kind of case, right, available to you, answer will be directly, simply take this as, answer will become I as upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0 divided by 2. What is the answer, bacha? Simply pi by 4. Answer will be simply pi by 4. Please check. Okay, yes sir, fast only. Okay, fine, just few more we have, we don't have many. Okay, don't worry. Matrix adjoint, remember, for 2 cross 2 matrix, bacha, adjoint of this, let's say I have a matrix A, 2 cross 2, if I'm looking for A11, A12, A21, A22, okay, I'm looking for adjoint of A. How are you going to solve this? Remember, interchange these two has to be interchange, okay, and these two has to be sign change, remember, sign change and interchange. Okay, this is clear. All right guys, okay, next what we have, if you have, let's say, matrix A as given as 3 cross 3 matrix, how are you going to find adjoint? Remember, if you have to find adjoint of A, what you do in this case is simply, we'll take adjoint of course later, but right now we'll write this matrix A11, A12, A13, we'll write like this, okay, and repeat the first 2 rows, all right, and the first 2 columns. Remember, I've taught you these tricks, okay, and then what you're going to do, cancel the first row and first column and first row, take in this vertical column, write answers in the horizontal rows. Okay, start multiplying like this and get the result over here. Please go ahead and verify one of the questions from that I've solved in the matrices, in the inverse. You can get the answer right. Okay, chali, I've taken one today as well. I'll show it to you. Moving on. Okay, now in by parts, bacha, this again is very important formula. Whenever you have a sin x, b cos x given to you, maxima will be root of a square plus b square. Whenever you have minimum, the minimum will become, bacha, minus of root of a square plus b square. Simply positive root will be your maxima, negative root will be your minima in the case of a sin x, b cos x. This type of question, when we are talking about by parts, I've taught you this question with in the trick session with exponential function also. In this I've taken algebra and trigonometry function. I've taken one more question, exponential function with algebraic function. Okay, whenever you have that, please look for your first and second function. Okay, from that what you're going to do, derivative of the first function together and integration of second function like this. Please check, derivatives like this, integrals like this, and combine over here. First function as it is, you're going to write over here derivative is 2x, here 2, here 0, integral is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay, yeah bacha. Okay, and we have minus 1 by 4 sin 2x, 1 by 8 sin cos 2x, like that. Please combine it, plus minus plus. Okay, and you have the result x square minus 1 by 2 cos 2x, first answer. 2x 1 minus 1 by 4 sin 2x, like this. Okay, you'll have the options like this. Please go through this later, if not right now. I told you I've not taken many tricks. Okay, why? I understand you guys are impatient because you have less time, but trust me, I will not do something which is not useful to you at this point of time. Okay, I've taken whatever is very important right now. Okay, don't worry, let's start. Okay, what we have, if the straight line 2x minus 3y plus 17 is 0, the perpendicular to the line, okay, basically perpendicular to this line, right, we can find the slope from here. Slope m1 will become, remember we have learned this, negative of this coefficient of x, so minus 2 negative of the coefficient of x, so minus 2 divided by coefficient of y, so minus 3. What is the answer? 2 by 3. This is the slope of the line. From here we can find the slope from these 2 points. What we can get from there? M2 will become b minus 17, sorry, beta minus 17 divided by 15 minus 7. What I have? Beta minus 17 upon 8, right? This is my slope M2. They're given their perpendicular, right? So take this as M1 dot M2 equals to minus 1. So we have 2 by 3 into, we have beta minus 17 upon 8 equals to minus 1. Okay, we get this as, please check 4. From here what I'm getting? Beta minus 17, okay, equals to minus 12. Okay, so beta equals to minus 12 plus 17. Answer will become beta equals to 5. Option C is correct. Please check. Option C is correct. Okay, all right. Which are important formulas I've given, whichever is very, very important to all of you. Okay, in the previous session, please go ahead and check it out. Okay. All right. So this is done. Moving on. A rod AB of length 15 centimeter. This whole length is 15 centimeter. AB is the rod. Okay, where point A is on the x-axis, point B is on the y-axis. Figure is not given. I have taken it for you. Okay. All right. So if you check this out, they've given there from the point P on this line, AP is given as 6. This is given as 9. Okay. So I'm taking this point's coordinate as x comma y. I can write here AP. Okay. Sorry. Sine theta. Right. I can write here. I'm looking for y value sine theta. So I can write here AP upon. No, not AP upon y upon AP. Right. I can write here sine theta as. Please check. Yeah. So sine theta will become y upon 6. Okay, and cos theta same way from this triangle BQP will have cos theta as, please check, x upon 9. Let's do one thing, square and add these equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Square and add it. What do you get? Sine square plus cos square theta, and for this side you'll have y square by 36 plus x square by 81 should be equal to this should be 1, right? This should be equal to 1, right? So answer is option C. Please check. Answer is option C. Done. All of you, this is done. Okay, great. You're welcome, Prajwal. Okay, this is done, bacha. Let's move on now. So I'll take more of your questions. I like to talk to all of you, but right now, yes, it is very important that people are studying. Let me complete all the questions, then we'll talk. Okay, if you want to. X is given as 2 plus 3 cos theta, y equal to 1 minus 3 sin theta. Represent a circle, then center and radius is what? Means this form of x and y represents a circle. Okay, what's the equation? Basically, what are they asking? Center and the radius of the circle. How do you solve that? Please check. So I can write from here x minus 2 equal to 3 cos theta. Okay, from here I can get, please check, y minus 1 equals to minus 3 sin theta. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Do one thing, square and add. I get here x minus 2 the square equals to 9 cos square theta. From here what I get? Please check, I'm adding, right? So plus y minus 1 the whole square. This side, LHS side, and this side what I'll have? Plus 3 is again going to be 9 only. So 9 sin square theta. Please check. I can get on this side x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equals to, I can take 9 common. This will be nothing but 1. Cos square plus sin square will be 1 only. I can write this value. Compare this. X minus h, standard form. Y minus k equals to r square. So my h comma k will be, sir, the radius center will be, sir, 2 comma 1, and the radius will be, sir, nothing but, please compare r square to 9. You have the radius as 3. Answer will be 2, 1, 3. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please check. Option B is correct. Is that okay? All right. Yes, bacha. Done, sir. Very good, bacha. Very, very good. Okay. Let's start. Okay. The centricity of the ellipse x square by 36, y square by 16 should be equal to 1. Okay, we are asking for eccentricity, right? So we know the formula for E is going to be what, bacha? In the ellipse we have negative sign, right? So 1 minus b square by a square. Don't worry about this value right now. Whatever is smaller, you take in the numerator, okay? 1 minus 16 upon 36 over here will become 20 upon 36 in the root. Please check. 36 minus 16 will become 20 only, right? So I'll have over here 5 into 4, right? 4 into 5 in the numerator, and this will become simply 6. Root of 36 is 6. I get the answer as 2 root 5 by 6. Option A is my answer. Please check. Option A is my answer, dear. Okay. All right, great. Moving on. The distance between the foci of a hyperbola is given as 16. Okay, they've given here, bacha, actually 2AE, right? Between two focuses, they are saying the distance is 2AE only. The formula is given as 16. Okay. What are they asking? Okay, they've given the E value is root 2. Okay, it means that it will be a rectangular hyperbola. It will be rectangular hyperbola, right? It means A will become equal to B in this case. Correct, right? Okay. So please check from here. I have 2A root 2 equals to 16, right? Cancel here. I get 8 over 8 means I'm getting root 2A is 8. Take squares on both sides. I get 2A square equals to 64. So I get 2 and this will cancel, 32. I'm getting A square equals to 32. And as I said, A and B will be same because of this rectangular hyperbola. E equals to root 2. It means this has to be equals to also B square. It's a hyperbola, right? Remember? So I get x square by 32 minus y square by 32 equals to 1. It means I can take LCM x square minus y square should be equal to 32 like this. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, please check. All right, everyone has got the right answer. Very good. Okay, very good, bacha. The number of 4-digit numbers without repetition that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm looking for 4 digits, right? So we have only 4 digits available for us. Please check. I want 2 to be odd, 2 odds and 2 even, right? So how many odds we have, bacha? We have total odd. Please check. So we have total of 4 odds and we have total of 3 evens, right? 2, 4, 6 is an even. So from 3 even I have to choose how many? I have to choose 2, and from this I have to choose 2 again, 4C2, and this will be for choosing odd and even, and again we will have 4 factorial ways to mix the numbers, you know, choosing the 4 numbers. Okay, so we have 4 factorial over here. So answer will become 4C2 3C2 into 4 factorial. If you solve this, you'll have the result as, please check, this should be the answer. Please check. I hope you know the calculations, right? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into we have 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial into what we have 4 factorial. Please check what I get over here. I can get, bacha, please check, will be 4 into 3 by 2 into 3 upon, please check, this is done, right? And we have 4 3s are 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, it'll become 12. Okay, that's correct only. We have 4 3s are 12 into 3 will be 36 into 12. Please check. 12 6 are 2, 7 is the carry. 12 3s are the 36 plus 7, 36 plus 7, 43 only. Answer is 432. Please check. Answer is 432, guys. Yeah, answer is 432. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so you can have your different way to, you know, use the calculation. Mine is different. Okay, whichever works faster for you, it's all good. Okay, let's move on. Next question. A and B are non-singleton sets given n A cross B. Non-singleton means you cannot have one data. Okay, so it cannot have, basically the cardinal number of A cannot be equal to 1, and this also cannot be equal to 1. That's the meaning of non-singleton. This is clear. Okay, so in that case, please check. They're saying that number of this is going to be 35, right? It means it has to be either 135 or 75. That's the factor possible for 35. That's only the factor, right? I can write 35 as 135 or 75. I can't take this because they've given non-singleton. It means my factor has to be what, bacha? My factor has to be NA cross B. Please check, has to be 7 into 5, 35. Okay, so basically they are saying that B is a subset of A, not subset, proper subset of A. It means B has to be less than A. This is proper subset, right? It means N of B has to be, bacha, please check, it has to be, sorry, I'm saying N of B should be less than N of A actually. Yeah, so N of B has to be, sir, let's say 5, and N of A has to be, sir, 7. What are they asking? Please check 7C5. It will become 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial and 2 factorial. I'll have the answer as 7 into 6 by 2. Correct, na? Please check 21 is the right answer. Have a look. 7 into 6, 5 will be cancelled. We have 2 over here. So answer is 21. Everyone, please check. I'm not sure. I don't know the answer for this question. Let's check. This is clear? So explain again. What, bacha? Which part? Formula, bacha, formula will be this only, no? For this case, m1 into m2 equals to -1. For the case of your parallel lines, perpendicular lines is this, okay? And for parallels, we have m1 equal to m2, right? For parallels, we have m1 equal to m2. Yeah, D is correct, no? Thank you everyone. Real AK47, Cranium, Karthik, D is correct. Okay, this part only, Raju. Okay, they are asking this doubt. So this part means what, bacha? I get, please check here, number of A cross B, no? They're saying this 35, and A and B is given as non-singleton, means it can never have the cardinal number as 1, means number of element in set A or B can never be equal to 1. Okay, in that case, the factors of 35 is 135 or 7 and 5. Can you factor 35 in different way than these two? You cannot do that. 7 and 5 and 135. We cannot take 135 because none of them are 1. I have to take 7 and 5 only. They've also given that B is a proper subset of A. They've given that B is a proper subset of A. It means what? It means that number of elements in B has to be less than number of element in A. Correct? In that case, number of B has to be 5, number of A has to be, element in A has to be 7. Right? 7C5 answer will come as 21 is done. Next question. Please solve this, guys. Okay. Hello. All right. Yes, we'll talk about that bacha later. Right now, focus on this. Okay. This is for real AK47. Please check. A student has to answer 10 questions choosing at least 4 from each part of A and B. So each part of A and B he has to choose a minimum of 4. There are 6 questions in part A total they're given, and part B has 7 questions. Okay. So excuse me, I have to choose how many, bacha? I have to choose 4 from this at least. So I have to go like this. Please check 6C4. If I choose 4 from here, I can choose here 7C6. Correct now? Because total I have to choose 10, right? I have to choose total 10. If I'm choosing 4 from the part A, I'll end up with 6 from the part B. If I choose, let's say, 5 from the part A, I'll end up with 5 from the part B. Okay. If I choose, bacha, how many? Please check. I choose 6 in this case. So 6C6 I choose. I'll have over here what is the case. Please check. I'll have this value as 7C4. Okay, so please check. You're going to multiply these results together. 6C4 into 7C6, 6C5 into 7C5, 6C6 into 7C4. This will give me 1 values, right? And simply add all the 3. You'll have the answer as option C. Please cross check, everyone. Okay, please cross check, everyone. Okay, yeah, this is done. All right, so moving on now. Okay, this is clear, right? Yeah. If all permutations, please check, of the letters word mask are arranged in the order as in dictionary. Dictionary means it has to be given in algebraic order. Does it means it has to be taken in algebraic order according to the alphabets? Okay, it means A should be given first option, other 3 will come like this. How many options we have? 1, 2, 3. It means we'll have answer as, when I'm taking A first, I have how many numbers like that? I have 3 factorials. I have 3 places, means 3 factorials ways. Okay, if I take next, after A I will get JKL, right? So we get K. Then again we have 3 spaces to fill. How many ways we have, bacha? 3 numbers, so 3 factorial ways. Okay, next will be, sir, M, right? How many ways? We have again 3 factorial ways. Please check. It's going to be 6, 6 and 6. How many are these total? 18. Means when I take A, all the cases of A, I get total of 6 numbers. All cases of starting with K, I get again 6 numbers. Starting with M, I'm again getting 6 numbers. Total is 18. What are they asking? For 19th word, it means it should start with S only. 19th will start with S only, and what I'll have the other numbers to fill. Again, order of algebra, so we'll have A over here, we'll have K over here, we'll have M over here, SAKM. Option C is correct. Please check. Option C is correct. It's a very good question, okay? Let's move on. Next, 10 chairs are numbered as 1 to 10. The 3 women and 2 men wish to occupy 1 chair each. First, the women choose the chairs. So the total of 3 women, right? From 1 to 6 means we have to choose 6P. Please check 6P3. After the numbers 1 to 6, okay, number marked 1 to 6, they have to choose 3 only because there are total of 3 women. Okay, and what we have next? 2 men out of the remaining chair, so remaining chair is 7 because 3 is already chosen, so out of 7 we have to take any 2, 7P2. Answer has to be option D. Please check. Option D is correct. It's a PYQ from. Please check the year. Very recent. Okay, moving on. All right, great. Let's start. Consider an infinite geometric series with first term A and common ratio R. If the sum is 4, S infinity is given as 4, it means I can write here A upon 1 minus R equals to 4. Okay, so from here I can get, please check, I'll have A equals to 4 times of 1 minus R, thus A value, and they've given second term is 3 by 4. It means that they have given AR equals to 3 by 4, right? AR equals to 3 by 4. I can solve these, correct? No, I can put this value over there, or I can find the value of R from here and put it in this case. Anything is okay. So let's solve for A only. We'll put the value of R from here. So we'll get R equals to 3 by 4 A. R equals to 3 by 4A, and put it in this case. I have A value as 4 upon 1 minus, please check, 3 by 4A, right? 3 by 4A. That's the value of R over here. I can continue. I get A value as 4 minus, please check, 3 by A, right? That is okay. 3 by A. Simplify now. So I'm getting here A square equals to 4A minus 3. So A square minus 4A plus 3 equals to 0. So I get here this only, A minus 1 and A plus, sorry, A minus 3, right? Excuse me. A minus 3. Yeah. So I'm getting the value of this as 0. So we're getting the value of A as either 1 or 3. Any option like this? We have only one such option. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. All okay? Yes. Great. Okay. So where is your hair? It's gone, bacha. All gone. Okay. Next, what we have? 1 upon 5 CR, 1 upon 6 CR, 1 equals to 1 upon 4 CR. So I'll tell you how to solve this question. Do one thing. Multiply this whole thing by 5 CR into 6 CR. Please check, into 4 CR. Okay, if you do that, you'll have over here 6 CR into 4 CR plus 5 CR into 4 CR, and on this side we'll have 5 CR into 6 CR. Okay, you can solve this. Write the expressions for these two. What we'll have? 6 factorial upon 6 minus R factorial into R factorial. Same thing, 4 factorial upon 4 minus R factorial into R factorial. Please check. Like this you can solve it. Answer will come out, bacha. Value of B will be given. R will be coming as 2. You'll have a quadratic at last. You'll have the answer value of R as coming as 2. Please solve it. Okay. I've done this question in one of my sessions. So just wanted to again show you this kind of questions coming here. All of you, I will be taking your general questions at the end of the session. Okay, let me continue with the questions right now. I understand a lot of students are here to solve these problems, so we'll go through the questions at the end. Okay, what about this function is given like this gx? I'm looking for derivative at point 0. So let's find derivative first. I have derivative equals to 200 x power 199 by 200, cancel. Same thing, every time I'll have bacha x power something will be there, right? X power I'll have 198, so on till this point. What I get for this part? For this part I'll have this value as 1, and for this, sorry, plus 1, excuse me, plus 1 plus 0, right? Plus 1 plus 0. So basically if I put this value as g dash at 0, I'll get 0 plus 0 plus 0 like that, except for this 1, and this will be again 0 only. What is my answer? Simply 1. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Done? Alright, this is clear. Moving on. Yes. Yeah. You can use that also, not a problem. You can use the option verification as well. Yeah, that is correct. In this question, no, option verification is actually easier. You can use that approach. Okay, it'll be faster. You're right. This was given by your friend who said the real AK-47. That's correct, bacha. Very good. That also is very, very good. X e power x minus sin x upon x. How do you solve this question? Separate it. You'll have e power x minus sin x upon x. Apply limits to this. We get x tends to 0. Okay, we'll have this value as e power 0 minus 1. I get 1 minus 1. Answer is option C, 0. Option C, 0. Option C, 0. Yes, session I'll try to complete bacha by 6:30, 6:40. Okay, not more than that. Okay, you can take some rest after that. I've given one trick today on this. Answer for this will become simply 4 by 6 the whole square. So 2 by 3 the whole square. 4 by 9. Option B is correct. Please check. First PUC questions are easy. You can see that, no? First PUC questions are easy except for P and C and binomial questions. Some questions in conic might be difficult if you don't remember the formula. Okay. Otherwise, the questions from other chapters will be easier only. Okay. So first PUC questions are relatively easier than the PU2 problems. Okay. Okay. Great. Value of this will be does not existing in nature, because if you define the function, you'll have function value when x is positive as 1 and then x is negative as minus 1. Please check. It'll open with plus x upon x, it will become 1. It'll open with minus x upon x, it will become minus 1, because it is mod, right? So mod is positive when it is more than 0, negative then it will become minus x, right? So you'll have minus 1 and 1. Of course, limit can never be equal to each other. Okay, so your LHL is minus 1, your RHL is plus 1. They are not equal. LHL is not equal to RHL. In this case, what we can say, does not exist. Does not exist. Please check. Okay, works. Yeah. They can ask you that kind of question. They can ask you special series to C0 plus C1, that one question they can ask you. Okay, actually, but not many questions have been asked. If you check the binomial trend, no, not many questions has been asked there. So you can save some energy and give it to the chapters which is very much relevant to you. Okay. Okay, the mean of 100 observation is 50 and their standard deviation is 5. Okay, so they've given sigma value as 5, they've given x bar as 50. What are they asking? We have the formula, right? Sigma will be equal to root of 1 upon n xi square, sum of xi square, remember, minus x bar. Okay, x bar square. What I get this value as? 5. I can take whole square, it will become 5 square equals to 1 by n summation of xi square minus 50 square, right? So I get here 25. Move this thing on this side, I get plus 2500 equals to 1 by n summation of sigma I x square. Please check. I'm getting this value as 2525 equals to 1 by n and sigma xi square. What is the number of terms they've given? 100. Okay, so bring this on this side, we get 2500 equals to sigma xi square. Sum of squares of all the observations. Sum of squares of all the observations will be option D. Option D. Please have a look. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, then Nova, you don't have to worry about integration right now. If you can do some simple questions for integration, that'll be easier. Otherwise, skip and do some other things. You don't have time to start the chapter right now. Okay, let's start. Okay, so next what we have. One more thing I want to tell you over here. The question like this can come. They might give you some sigma value, let's say as a constant k. Okay, and they say that every observation is increased by 2. What's the next deviation? So whenever you're doing plus minus some constant, okay, in the observation, they will remain same. Okay, sigma remains same. But if you multiply this by some other number, let's say 2, okay, then sigma will also become 2k. If you are multiplying by some number, then the step deviation will change, otherwise it will remain as it is. Okay, summation will not change it. Next what we have, PU1 is just, I think, few questions, bacha. I think this is it, right? This is the last question of PU1. The limits, few questions are left. So I think this we are having 4 or 5 questions of limits, then PU1 will be over. Okay. All right, let's start the limits right now. Okay, for how to solve this question, let's do one thing. We can take the derivative for this. Apply LH rule. Okay, when we do that, we get sec square of x upon derivative of this will become 1 by 2. Please check, same root will repeat in this sign, and you have a constant 2 over here because of the chain rule. 2x will become 2, and minus 2 will be 0, sir. So minus 0 when x tends to 0. Now you can apply, please check. You will have sec square 0 is nothing but 1 only. Cos 0 is 1, sec 0 is also 1. I get 1 by 2, root is there, so we get, what is this value? 2 into 0, right? We are getting, so 0 is going to be there. We have root 4 over here, into 2 is there, and of course that is gone. 2 and 2 is cancelled. I have 1 upon 1 by root 4. Answer will be simply root 4. Answer will be simply 2. Option D is correct. I applied this L'Hopital rule. Okay, I applied L'Hopital's rule. Got it? Yeah. The right hand and left hand limit of the function, please check. So if I'm talking about, let's say, right hand limit first, okay, I'm going to do one thing. From the function, I'll take e power 1 by x common in the numerator. I'll have 1 over here. I'll have e power minus 1 by x over here. Same thing I'm going to do in the denominator, over here also denominator as well. I get 1 plus e power minus 1 by x. Okay, why I'm doing that? Graph of e power x, please check. It is 0 when x tends to negative infinity. It is 0, that's why. Okay, now try to put a number, try to reach 0 from the left hand side. From the left hand side, what are you going to get? This will become just simply negative infinity. Okay, so you'll have this and this is cancelled. You have over here RHL 1 minus e power, we'll have this value as negative infinity. Okay, same thing, 1 plus e power negative infinity will become 1 minus 0 upon 1 plus 0. Answer will be simply 1. Answer will be simply 1 by 1, so simply 1. Okay, this is my RHL. Try to approach for LHL now. I'm going to approach this, forgive me, this is for positive, right? Since there's a minus sign over here, it will become plus infinity. This 1 by x bacha will become plus infinity, but we have a minus sign, so it will become minus 1 by x will become, negative infinity. Forgive me, I made a mistake over here. 1 by x, because I'm taking x value as positive, right? It's RHL, right hand limit. It will become 1 by x will be plus infinity. So if I apply the minus sign, it will become negative infinity. Okay, now it is 0. The result is correct, but I have took the approach wrong. I have changed that. 1 by x is plus infinity, so minus 1 by x will be negative infinity. Check the function, it will become 0. Answer will be 1. Check for LHL, directly substitute. You will have this value as e power minus infinity minus 1 upon e power minus infinity plus 1. Answer will be minus 1 upon 1, simply minus 1. So we have RHL as 1 and LHL as minus 1. Option A is correct. How can we do that, sir? Because I'm approaching this x from negative of 0, right? Just before 0. We have this value 1 by x in this case. This will simply become negative infinity. Okay, so this will be, please check, negative infinity. I'm taking from here. Okay, great. Please check. All right. Okay, moving on. So what we have, fx is given is a function. Before 2 is x square minus 1, after 2 it is, and before 3 is 2x plus 3. They're saying that these values of, okay, they have given two limits over here, LHL and RHL. That is the factor of the quadratic equation. Okay, sorry, roots of the quadratic equation. We can solve that. Let's find this limit. X tends to 2 minus, we have to use this function, right? So I'll have this value as x square minus 1. So it'll become 4 minus 1, answer will be 3, right? So let's call this to be one of the roots. So let's call this to be alpha. Alpha is 3. Second one. Second limit. So limit of the function when you're approaching this from plus 2 side. Okay. We'll have to take this function 2x plus 3. So we'll take here 2x plus 3. It'll become 4 plus 3, which is 7. This is my second function, which is, let's say, second root, which is, let's say, beta. So basically, if you check over here, I'll have the result as x minus 3 and x, okay, minus 7, right? Answer will be 21. Option C is correct. Please check. 7 3s are 21, right? So option C is correct. Okay. The two roots are coming as 3 and 7. I've taken them in the quadratic form. Please check. All right. Great. Yes. Yes. Very good. Next, we have this case. What we're gonna do? Rationalize it. Whenever you see the roots like this, rationalize it better. So you'll have 3 plus y cube minus root 3. It's actually one of the methods of finding, the limit value. So using the standard limits, rationalizing it, or cancelling, basically simply factorizing something. Okay. So right here we have root 3 plus y cube, plus sign will come. Over here also same thing will come. 3 plus y cube and plus root 3 will come. If you simplify this, you'll have, please check, 3 plus y cube minus 3 divided by y cube into root of 3 plus y cube plus root 3. Okay. Something is wrong. Yeah. I've taken the bracket wrong. Alright. So now I have 3 and 3 is cancelled. I get y cube left over here. Y cube and y cube is cancelled. My function is going to be what if I apply the limit to this? Limit y tend to 0, right? So I'll have 1 upon, please check, 1 upon root of 3 plus 0 plus root 3. What is the answer going to be? 1 upon root 3 plus root 3. How much is the answer? 1 upon 2 root 3. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Works? All of you? Works? Okay. Alright. This is okay. Let's move on now. Okay. Sine 2 plus x minus sine 2 minus x upon x, a cos b is given. Finding the value of a and b, right? I can use formula of sine a minus sine b. I'll have this as 2 sine, please check, 2 sine, difference I will take. So I'll get this value as 2x upon x. Okay, 2x upon x. I'm taking the difference, okay? This minus this will become 2 plus x minus 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. X minus of minus x will become plus x. So 2x upon 2. And for this we'll have cos of, please check. For this we'll have cos of sum of that. X will be cancelled. We'll have only 2 left. So 2 plus 2 will be there. 2 into 2 by 2. Divided by x is there. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled. This 2 and this 2 is cancelled. I get 2 sine x upon x cos 2. When limit x tends to 0, this will become 1. Okay, so I'll have 2 cos 2 as the result. Compare this with a cos b. My value of a is also 2 and value of b is also 2. Option is B. Option is B. Is that clear? Please check. Is that clear? Please check. Okay. Is this clear? Please check. Yes. All right. So this is done. Let's move on now. So I think this is the last question of the limits. Yeah. So your PU1 is done, bacha. Your PU1 is over. I've taken most relevant PYQs of PU1 and solved it for all of you. Okay. Now PU2, some questions I've taken, not many, but I've taken some problems in PU2. So I think I'll tell you what, half an hour maximum, 20 minutes maximum, 25 minutes, we'll complete the session. Okay. Then you can ask your doubts. Chaliye, a plus pi by 2 tan inverse of x plus 3 cot inverse of x. This is one of the favorite question of mine from relation and function. Okay. Sorry, not from ITF, excuse me. I can take this as a plus pi by 2 tan inverse of x, and break this as, please check, break this as 2 cot inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. Okay, so I can take 2 common from this and this term, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x, and we have 1 left over here, so right here plus cot inverse of x less than b. We have a plus pi by 2 less than, this will become 2 times of pi by 2, we have a formula for this, plus cot inverse of x less than b. This is cancelled. I'm getting here basically pi plus cot inverse of x is less than b and more than a plus pi by 2. We know that actually range of cot inverse of x, so cot inverse of x range is nothing but 0 to pi. Compare from here. I want pi plus cot inverse, so I'm going to add this. I'll have pi plus 0 as simply pi, and I'm going to get this as pi plus cot inverse of x, and will be 2 pi. Compare this with this part, okay, together you get the value of a as pi by 2, and compare this and this together, you get the value of b as 2 pi. Answer will be option C. Answer will be option C. Please check. Is this clear? Yes, option C is correct. All of you got it? Moving on now. Yes, okay. Next question. We have cos of cot inverse of minus root 3 plus pi by 6. You can write here cos will become cot inverse of minus x. There's a formula for this. Pi minus cot inverse of x, okay, plus pi by 6 will be having over here. We get cos is as it is. I get pi minus, this will become pi by 6 only. We have plus pi by 6. Please check, cancel. I have cos pi left. Answer will be simply minus 1. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, recent and fun question. Okay, let's move on now. We have the function fx given like this. We want this to be strictly decreasing or increasing. Okay, I have to look for these of the options. I'm going to find the derivative for this first. I'll get derivative as, please check, 4 into 3, so 12 sine square x, and we have cos x. Okay, minus 12 one more time we get, and sine x, I get over here cos x. Last I'll get for this one 12 cos x. It's a constant, so plus 0, and can take something common, right? So I can write here f dash of x over here as, take 12 cos x common. I have over here sine square x, and we have minus sine x plus 1. Okay, think about it. This is a positive number, positive or 0. Okay, this together will become again positive only. How come, sir? Sine x has a maximum value of minus 1 to 1, right? Maximum value of 1. Even if you take that, it will become minus 1 plus 1, maximum 0. So these values inside the bracket are either 0 or positive. 0 or positive. Okay, so basically this whole thing will be positive number. This bracket will be a positive number. So only sign will be because of the sign difference will be because of the cos. So if the cos is more than 0, it means my function will be, of course, positive. If I get basically I get the function to be increasing. If I get cos x is less than 0, I get the function to be decreasing in nature. Correct. Now because derivative sign will depend upon not this fraction, not this bracket, only on the cos x, because this is always a positive number. Okay, in that regard, graph of cos x starts from here, goes like this. Please check. This is 0, this is pi by 2. Think about it. This is going to be pi. So only in this interval it is positive, rest all is negative. Okay, so positive I want 0 to pi by 2. Okay, next what I have, pi by 2 to pi, it will be decreasing in nature. This will be negative. Option D is correct then. Increasing, they're saying they're not option given as 0 to pi by 2. Please check. If I take this also together, we'll have both regions also negative plus. We both have, so can't be there because we're getting negative and positive together. Increasing pi to 3 pi by 2. Please check. Pi to 3 pi by 2. No, we can't do that because it'll have a negative value over here. Okay, so this also is wrong. This also is wrong. Okay, hence option D is correct. Option D is correct. Please check, everyone. Option D is correct. All right, very good. Next problem. It's a very good question actually. It's a special problem, can be asked. Similar kind of question can be asked. Okay, now this problem, as I said, important property based integration question is there. Whenever you see this kind of question, no, tan power 7, tan power and cot power 7 will become basically same, no. Tan of pi by 2 minus x bacha will become cot of x. Hence the answer will be actually going to be I equals to the limits difference minus 0 by 2. What I get? Pi by 4 is the answer. Option is A. Look at the question, write the answer. Option is A. All of you agree? Okay, great. Is this okay? Chaliye. The inverse of the matrix. We are finding the inverse. For this inverse, what we need? We need a determinant first. Let's find the determinant first. So I'm finding across, let's say I'm using the first row itself. I get for 2, what is it? 3 minus 0. And for minus 5, what I'm getting, please check. For minus 5, I'm getting 0 minus, so basically plus 1. Okay. And for 0, I'll have simply as 0 only. Last term is 0, right? So I'll be 0. I get 6 minus 5. Answer is 1. So basically, my inverse of A will be nothing but adjoint of A by 1, because determinant of A is 1. So I can write this simply as adjoint of A as same as inverse of A. Is that clear? Is that clear? Please check. Is that clear? All right, great. All right, please have a look, guys. I'm gonna find adjoint now. I'll write this matrix. We have 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1. I have minus 1, 0 and 3. Let's write this first 2 rows together. So we get 2, 5, 0 and 0, 1, 1. Then the columns again. 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0. We get here, what is it? 5, 1, 0, 5, 1. Okay. As I said already, remove the first row and first column. This is taken out, and start writing the adjoint now. You'll have 3 cross 3 only, not a problem. Please check. Start from here. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 0. So simply 3. Over here, 0 into 0 is 0 minus 15. Over here, 5 into 1 is 5 minus 0 is simply 5. Compare now. First row, 3 minus 15 and 5. This option is not there. This option is not there. Okay, what about the last 2 options? Both can be there. This and this both can be there. Okay, check what is difference in both the terms. Same second row. Third row is same except for this 2 and minus 2. This 2 and minus 2. So we'll find the last term only. Please check here. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0. Answer will be 2 only, right? So wherever is 2, that is the answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct, sir. Got it? Is that okay? Alright, this is clear, bacha. Moving on now. Option B is correct. Okay. This is done. Next question now. The 2 vectors are I plus j plus k, and this represent 2 sides of the triangle. Let's do this. We have A over here, we have B over here, we have C over here. They've given AB as, what is it? I plus j plus k, and they've given AC as I plus 3j plus 5k. What are they asking? Length of the median. This is the median. We know this AD length will become actually AB plus AC by 2 length. Okay, by 2. Please check, I can do this. I'll have 1 plus 1 will be 2 by 2 will be simply 1 only. Please check. 1 plus 3 will become 4 by 2 will become again 2j cap. K plus 5k will become 6k divided by 2 will become again 3k cap. Modulus is there. What is the answer? Median AD will become, please check. We have root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. I get root 14. Option has to be C. Option has to be C. Okay, great. Option has to be C. Correct. Everyone got the right answer. Very happy for all of you. Transpose is not required in the previous one. I've given you the trick for finding this adjoint. Okay, we don't have to do this proper thing. This is directly approach to find the adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix. I've given for 2 cross 2 also in the trick set part. Okay, let's move on. This is again a very important formula. If you don't remember the formula, you will take a lot of time to solve this question. If you know it, the result is this. Please check. A cross B vector the square plus A dot B vector the square equals to product of vector A square into B square. Okay, so we have been given this value as 144. I can take this divided by 6 square. We will become equal to mod of B square. I can take the roots now. It will become 12 and 6 as simply mod of B. Answer will be 2. Answer will be 2. Option B is correct. If you know the formula, question is very simple. If you don't know, extremely difficult and takes time. Okay, chaliye. Great. Explain sir one. Which part, bacha? Shamshad, which part? This one. Formula is there for this. Okay, this formula you apply. A cross B and A plus A dot B the whole square is given 144. Apply here 144. This is going to be 6, right? This is going to be 6 square. So divide by 6 square. Take the root on both sides to get the value of mod B. So it will become 12 is the root of 144. Root of 6 square is going to be 6 only. Answer is going to be 12 by 6, so 2. Okay. Yes, I am about to complete, guys. Just PU2 questions are left. We'll complete it as soon as possible. Not many are there. I've taken some relevant problems. Just bear with me for a little more time. Okay. If you want, I can show you. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 questions are left. All of you who are there, 13 questions are left now. The total of 13 questions left. 1, 3. 13 questions are more. 13 questions left. Okay. Great. Length of the median once again. Okay, for that part the formula is like this. Okay, this is the formula. Length of the median is given by, median form actually is given by sum of the sides AB plus AC by 2. You want length, right? That's why we've taken the modulus. Length becomes AB plus AC by 2. We want this value of AB, right? Sorry, the length AD, right? So that's why we're taking the modulus. Formula is this. Median is given by the sides that is containing, so AB plus AC by 2. This is the median. You want the length, take the modulus on both sides. Okay, clear? Now this question, please check. Okay, done guys. We are looking for GOF over here. We're looking for GOF over here. How can we solve for GOF? In this G, replace this with X, replace with F. So I'll have this as sine 2x plus cos 2x the whole square minus 1. Please check. I'll have sine square 2x plus cos square 2x plus 2 sine 2x cos 2x minus 1. This is nothing but plus 1 only. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 will be cancelled. And what is this going to be? 2 sine 2x cos 2x will become sine 2 times of 2x. How much is that? Sine 4x. Sine 4x. Now we know for sine theta, for any sine theta, we have theta value from where to where, bacha? From minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In this case, we have this value as 4x right here. 4x will be from where to where? This only. I want the value of theta, right? I want the value of x, right? Domain, no? Invertible. So why only this we are taking invertible? Remember, sin x is invertible only if we take this truncation, okay? Otherwise, it will not be 1, 1 on 2. If I take the total graph of sin x, which is like this, if you remember, this graph, if I take the total graph, like this, it's not 1, 1, right? We'll have more than 1 intersections. Got it? But if I make this, a truncation like this, domain, if you do the domain intersection like this, then it becomes what? 1, 1 function. Okay, that's why they have taken this as the constant, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, divide this by 4 on both sides, I get minus pi by 8, and we get on this side as pi by 8. Close interval both. This is for where x belongs. Option is D. Option D is correct. Please check. All of you. Option D is correct. Please check. Yeah. Domain of cos inverse of root x. Please check cos inverse. If it was simply cos inverse of some value y, so we know y will range from minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Okay, for this side it will remain same, minus 1 only. Okay, not a problem. but this side will become equal to less than 2, because even if I take the value of 1.5 no, or 1.9 no, in this, what is the answer, sir? Answer is 1 only, right? So I can go all the way to 2 but open. I cannot take 2. If you take for 2, what is the answer, sir? It will become 2. I cannot take that. Cos inverse cannot take the value of 2. But if you take 1.9999 like this, in this, answer is also 1. So this, I can take this x value as -1 to 2, -1 close, 2 open. Answer is D. Answer is D. 12 more questions to go. So 11 more questions to go, sorry. Okay. Which one, Ayush? Which one, Arun? Please tell me. Which one? Arun, Ayush, which one? Tell me. Come on. Can you, guys, can you go ahead and check it once again where I explained? Can you go ahead and play back the video? Please scroll back. Okay. The value of cot inverse of 1 minus sin x in the root. You have done this question, remember? 1 minus sin x actually becomes equals to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 in the root, of course, and 1 plus sin x becomes equals to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Remember this? You should take one value as cos square x plus sin square x, and sin x as 2 sin x cos, so 2 sin of x by 2 and cos of x by 2, right? So if you do that, we'll have, please check, cot inverse is there, right? Sum of these two. So we have this and this cancelled. It will become 2 cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2, and difference of these two, this minus this. So I'll have this and this cancel. Okay, this will become 2 sin x by 2. Please check. I'm taking difference of this minus this, means this minus this. So cos and cos is cancelled. Sin minus of minus sin will become 2 sin. Okay, 2 and 2 is cancelled. I'm getting here cot inverse of, please check, cot x by 2. Answer will be simply x by 2. Option is B. Option is B. Clear, everyone? Guys, that's a different question, bacha. Study Sonu, that's a different question. Okay, this is a different question. Please check. Okay, in that case, you're gonna get this value as minus. You'll get this cot inverse of minus cot. Actually, yeah. This is a different question. Okay, got it? Pakka? Understood? All right. So you take longer class. Sorry, bacha, I'm taking long class. Okay, a particle moves along the curve this when the rate of change of the abscissa is 4 times. Means dx by dt is 4 times dy by dt. Correct, na? Abscissa means x, ordinate means y. So I'm getting that rate of change means the derivative of x is more than 4 times the derivative of y. Okay, let's apply to this. We get 2x by 16 is there. We get dx by dt, of course. Okay, plus 2y by 4 is there. We get for this also dy by dt equals to 0. Okay, let's use the values of this again. We can use it over here. What I'm gonna get, 2x by 16, and I'm getting over here, please check, this as dy by dt times 4 plus 2y by 4 dy by dt equal to 0. Have a look. I'm getting here this 4 2s are 8, divide this 16 by 2, and again we get this also as 2. So I have please check, I have 1 by 2, not 2, excuse me, 1 by 2 dy by dt, right? 1 by 2 dy by dt times of what I have, x plus y equals to 0, right? This is a non-zero number, I can take on this side. So I'll get x plus y equal to 0. 1 by 2 is a non-zero number, derivative also is a non-zero number. Okay, divide on this side, we'll get 0 by something, it will be 0 only. So from here I'm getting y equal to minus x. Check the curve. Y equal to x is this, and y equal to minus x is this. This is the curve of y equal to minus x. Excuse me. Yeah, this is the curve of y equal to minus x. Hence, which quadrant? Quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. All the points will be on this line lying on which point? On which quadrant? Quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Option D is correct, right? Option D is correct. Please check. Guys, Option D is correct. Okay. Okay, let's start. Next one. The corner point of the feasible region for this given function is z equals to 4x plus 6y. I have the corner points given here 0, 2. For this z will be how much, sir? 12. And have over here a 3, 0, right? Again I get 12 only. Okay. And we're looking for minimum value. I think this is the minimum value. Let's check for 6, 0 one more time. For this I get 24, of course. And one more I have 6 and 8. It will be again more only. Okay, it will be more value. It means this is your minima. This is your minima, which is occurring at how many points, bacha? So we have 2 points over here, 0, 2, and we have this point 3, 0. So on these 2 points, you know, we have this line joining the 2 points. Every point on this line will have the minimum value. So infinite number of points will be the answer. Option C is correct. Please check. Option C is correct. Okay, moving on now. Have a look. So I'm trying to complete as soon as possible, guys. Okay. So it's blur. Please check. I don't think it's blur, bacha. Everyone is not saying that. It's been taking all, I think almost session is over. So there's no complaint like this. Please cross check. Check the speed. Okay. Unit vector perpendicular to this plane. Let's call this to be vector A. Okay. This to be vector A and this to be vector B. I'm looking for perpendicular, means I have to do the cross product. So to do here A cross B, I get I, J and K, 1, 2 and 1, minus 2, 1 and 3. Right here I cap with 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1, minus J cap with, have a look, 3 plus 2, right? 3 into 1 is 3 and we get plus 2 on this side, and plus K cap with 1 plus 4. So I'm having here 5 I cap minus 5 J cap plus 5 K cap is the value of my A cross B. I'm looking for, let's call this to be vector, let's say vector Z actually. I'm looking for what actually? I'm looking for unit vector. No, I'm looking for Z cap. So it'll become, have a look, I can take 5 common, right? I'll have I minus J plus K divided by square root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. Okay, answer will become, please check. Yeah, I can take 5 square common, no? So I have simply this as I minus J plus K upon root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, root 3. Option B is correct. I can explain this last step again. I have 5 in the numerator. I'm taking 5 square outside this root. I get 5 square out as 5. That 5 will be cancelled. I have left over here with 1, 1, 1. That is the answer. Option B is correct. Please check, every one of you. Okay. Yeah. Previous question is wrong. No. No, right? Not wrong. None of the questions are wrong actually. Yeah. Let y equals to a 1 minus cos theta, x equals to a theta minus sin theta. Then y regarded as function of x. They are asking maximum, okay, of that. So basically you have to find dy by dx and put it equal to 0, maximize this only, right? So we have to find that first. D theta upon dx by theta, the parametric form I'm going to use for both the functions because they are given in terms of theta. Have a look. I have this value as for y. A is a constant, keep it outside. 1 is 0. And I get for this as cos will become sine, right? So plus sine. Plus sine theta I'm getting over here. For denominator what I have, a is a constant, one more time, keep it outside. Theta will become 1 and it will become minus cos. It will become minus cos theta. Okay. And this is going to be dy by dx, right? For maxima I want the critical point, put it equal to 0. I'm getting this value as, this a and a is cancelled, of course. I'm getting this as sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta equal to 0. It means I should have sine theta should be equal to 0. It means theta should be valued as n pi. N is integers. N is integers. Okay. In this case you can check, option is C. Basically in this case n equals to 1 in this case. It will become theta as pi. Option is C. Have a look. Okay guys, Great. Yeah. So we can continue. The minimum value of sin x plus cos x, I just explained you this. You just simply look for the coefficient of sin x and cos x, which is 1 square in this case. Both is 1. Here also 1, here also 1. And we need a minus sign for minimum. For maximum we need a plus sign. We have minus of root 2 as the answer. Option B is correct. For maximum you're going to take simply plus sign. Okay, that's it. And will occur at point pi by 4 actually. Alright. What else we have? Cos theta upon 5 plus 7 sin theta minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, convert everything in terms of cos, also in terms of sin only. So we get this as, please check, cos theta upon, I have 5 plus 7 sin theta. I get minus 2 will be there, and we'll have plus 2 sin square theta. Actually I'm converting this cos square into sin square. Okay, I get 2 minus 2 and 2 sin square theta, and of course we have over here d theta. Okay, integration is there. So I'll have this result as, please check, cos theta d theta upon, I'm getting here 2 sin square theta, I'm getting here plus 7 sin theta, and I'm getting here plus 3. This is again over here. Take now sin theta as t, sin theta as t. Derivative will become cos theta d theta equals to dt, right? So the question will transform now. I'll have this result as integration of dt upon 2t square plus, please check, we have 7t and plus 3, 7t and plus 3. Okay, you can solve this question now. We can factorize it, we can factorize this. Okay, and if you do that, no, you'll get this actual result in terms of sine and cos. Okay, answer will come as option D, will come as option D. Okay, you have to make some changes over here. To take 2 common, and then it will become option D. I've done this question so many times for all of you. Please cross check. I think by now you will know the answer. Okay, please check. The a value will come as actually 1 by 5. The a value will come as 1 by 5. Okay, and this will be coming as 2t plus 1 upon t plus 1. Factorize it, apply the partial fractions. Okay. Confusion? What is the confusion, sir? What is the confusion? Somebody says confused. Okay. Completing it only. Yeah. Correct. 60 plus t only you can do. Yeah. Correct. You get 2t plus 1. The factors which will become 2t plus 1 and t plus 3. T plus 3. Please check. Okay. Okay. Using integration, find the area enclosed by the parabola. I've given this. I'm telling you, this is the important result. Don't have to solve it. It's a result. Y square equals to 4x is there. Y equal to mx is there. Answer will be directly AOI will give you answer as option C, 8a square by 3mq. Please remember this. Please remember this. Okay. Option C is correct. Just few more questions. 1, 2, 3. 3 questions are left now. Come on, let's solve this. Okay, this is done, right? Order and degree of differential equation. Please check. I can take this side. We'll have rho second derivative. I can write this as simply y2, right? Y2 write derivatives now. Yeah. Y2. Rho y2 can be written over here. So rho y2 equals to 1 plus y1 power 4. The power 3 by 4. Let's take whole thing with the power 4 over here. This also with the power 4 over here. This and this gets cancelled. I have here rho power 4 y2 power 4. Over here what I have? 1 plus y1 power 4 the whole cube. So you can see here order going to be second derivative, right? So order is 2 and degree you can check here, highest power will be 4 only. So degree is 4. Order 2 degree 4. Order 2 degree 4. Option A is correct. Okay. Option A is correct. Alright. Yeah. A is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Okay, I'm looking for a power n. Okay, they have given this is true. I'm finding the value of k. Let's find a square first. So I get a square as, please check, 2 minus 2 and 2. 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2, multiply and get this as, this with this we're gonna do. We'll have 4 plus 4 as 8, and we'll have this with this will be as minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 will be here. I get same thing over here as minus 8, and over here also as plus 8. I can take this bacha as 4 common. I'll have here 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2. Simply I'll have 2 square, and over here I have, please check a. So my a square is 2 square as a. Okay. So what will be my a cube? Please check. So my a cube will become a square into a. Okay. Write this over here, 2 square into a into a. This is my a square, right? From here. So I'm getting this as 2 square into a square. What I get for this again, one more time, we can write a into a will be a square, right? I get this as again 2 square into a. What I'm getting over here, 2 power 4 into a. This is my a cube. So when I'm getting this value as 3, I'm getting this value as 4. When this is 2, this is 2. Which option suits right? Please check. If I take this, no, 2 times of n minus 1. Put this n value as 2. Over here, when you put n value as 2, it will become 2 minus 1, simply 2 only, right? Then in this case, you'll have this value of k as 2 only, right? K will become 2 only. If you put n value as 3, your k will be, please check, 3 minus 1 is 2 into 2 is 4. Correct only. If you take k value as 2 power n, 2 times of n minus 1, k is 2 times of n minus 1, your answer will be true. Option is D. Please check. Option is D. Alright. So this is almost over, guys. Yes. Yes. Last question now. If P and Q are symmetric matrices, the same order, means sir, P dash is obviously P transpose is P, Q transpose is Q. Okay. We can write here X equals to, let's say, some matrix PQ minus QP. Take transpose now. Okay. I get this as, please check, it will become Q transpose P transpose minus P transpose Q transpose, right? The properties of transpose, the numbers will reverse, right? Q will come in front for this and P will go over here. QP minus PQ I have, take my sign common, I get PQ minus QP, same as this. It means I'm getting this value as minus X. So I'm getting XT as minus X, means it will become skew symmetric. Option has to be D. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. So this was your complete questions from PU1, PU2. I've taken all of your questions. Okay. Bacha, so I'll tell you what. This is not a boards examination, right? So questions will not be direct, but I've taken the concept which can be repeated. So I've went through all of your PYQs. I've taken the most relevant, most useful PYQs from PU1. Why PU1? Because there were a lot of questions in the chemistry and math and physics paper from PU1, and there were tricky ones as well. That's why I've taken the PU1 questions first. Okay, so I've helped you revise everything. Okay, first of all, understand that yeah, physics was a little difficult. Okay, and of course, this session itself is not your preparation, but understand, your whole preparation was already done. I came here to support you. This session was so that I am here for you. Whatever happens today, my name is Ankit Srivastav. I'll be here for you in whatever way I can help you out. I will try to do that for sure. Okay, I'm here with you. I'm telling you, all of you guys will have a very bright future coming here for yourself. Doesn't matter what is the result for this examination, you'll have a very, very bright future. All of you, not even one will have bad future, because you are, you are somebody who's willing to work hard. You are coming in the, you are going live, in night at 12 o'clock, morning also again you're coming at 5 o'clock. I never did that in my life, okay? And you are somebody who's doing that. Means you're somebody who's taking initiatives. You will do wonders in your life. Just trust in yourself. Don't doubt yourself that much, okay? Have a positive mindset. You're gonna do very, very good. Revise the formulas, okay? Especially for mathematics. And again, I will see you one more time in the your paper analysis live session as well, okay? No sir, I think it was a PYQ. I've checked, the answer was coming as infinite number of terms only, right? Yeah. Thank you Prajwal, thank you Preetham. So all of you, sorry sir, if I got less marks in KCET exam, will comment K, we might comment K come back sir? Yes, but you can do comment K later, okay? We have started a crash course for comment K. You can join it. We are starting tomorrow only the crash course. It'll go up till the comment K examination, and we are doing, it's not on YouTube, it's available on our platform, okay? You can check. I think it's a different platform. We have started a new platform right now where we are doing a lot of work. So thank you Prajwal, thanks Kuber, Himanshi, Gunashri, Sir, how to prepare for CMI? I got 99% in mathematics JEE, total 96 percentile of Chennai Institute of Math. Oh my god, real AK-47, very good bacha. Okay, I don't know bacha exact approach for the CMI right now. I don't want to give you any answers which is not making sense to you. Let me do some work. Okay, let me think about it. Let me look for the results, proper answers. Then I'll come back to you. Okay, so I'll get back to you. You can, if you want, you can leave your comment in this comment of this live session. I'll do my research and get back to you with a proper answer. That works. AK-47. Thank you so much for effort, bacha. Of course, mine is nothing. I've done nothing. All of your efforts and your love. I'm coming here because of your love. Okay. If you will not come, then why will I come? Mine efforts are nothing, bacha. Your efforts are everything. You have done so much. You will do wonders in the exam today. Even if you don't do, I'm here for you. Don't worry. You are going to do good only. But be positive. Okay. Chaliye. Thank you everyone. So wish you all the best. Wish you all the best for the examination. Take blessings from your parents. Okay, show some love around you and go for exam. Don't keep anything negative in your mind. Don't keep hatred. Don't keep any kind of sad or any negative emotions. Don't keep with yourself. Keep positive emotions with yourself. Be happy. Go in the exam. Function properly. The thing is, you have done a lot of work, but if you don't perform, then how will it matter, right? So now it's time to perform. So please take some rest. Whatever time you have, you take some rest. Okay, ask your parents to just wake you up in half an hour also, but you take a power nap, take some rest, have some water, go out, have a if you want, you can do some breathing exercises. I'll tell you what, all of you are here, right? When I was writing my JEE, you might think that I'm telling stories, but it's very true. In my JEE examination, I was in Jaipur writing my examination for JEE mains. So it was very hot, 52 degrees Celsius, 51 degrees Celsius hot, okay? And I did not get any rooms available in the hotel, so I had to take a terrace room. It was extremely, I could not sleep. Me and my roommate could not sleep the whole night. And we had next day JEE examination. How do you perform if you did not sleep? We prepared completely, but didn't sleep only for the whole night. How did I write the examination? We was having so much headache. So what we did, in the morning before the session, we did lot of breathing exercises. We sat properly and started taking breathing exercises, and we did that for 20-25 minutes. It helped us calm down and give us a clarity, peace of mind. If you are somebody who's feeling anxious, do one thing. Do some breathing exercises. In the examination hall also, if you are feeling anxious, take a minute, breathe in, focus on your breath, breathing in, breathing out. I know you might find like I might sound like a very old person, but it actually works, bacha. Please do it, because I want the best thing for all of you. Okay, good morning. If you are coming right now, sir, one doubt, tell me what is the doubt. Yes, Anup, of course, bacha, our channel is here only to provide free content, and of course not only just free, somebody can give you free for anything, but here only relative content, okay, which is actually for KCET examination and boards examination which he had. Yes, ask your doubts, come on. And all of you, please leave, please go ahead, take rest, do your revision. Class notes I'm going to ask to put right now in the link of this video itself. Class PDF will be going right now. Once I end the live, I'll give you the class PDF right away. Okay, so don't worry. If you want, guys, please, if you have any doubt, you ask. If not, please leave. Okay, and go ahead, take some rest and do wonders in the examination. I'll be seeing you again today in the analysis video for your maths. Chaliye. So please guys, bye. Leave everyone. So you're asking us to leave? Yes, I'm asking you guys to leave. Okay, it's very important for you guys to take rest right now. Okay, yes, but your crash course will help you a lot. It will certainly, because what we are doing, Comet K concept are a little bit different. Some questions are different, so we are doing PYQs, we are doing sessions over there as well. Okay, so you'll see the difference. There'll be, and one more thing I want to tell you guys, Comet K crash course is in the medium of English. It will not be completely English, so I don't want to be unfair with you. The Comet K crash course, the medium is English, but it will certainly help you out. Okay. Yes, guys, don't worry about your marks right now for board or for KCET examination. First of all, write the examination, then we'll see about the reattempt of the boards, right? Later we'll see about that. Yeah, this is to the point. I've given the formula, bacha. Somebody is asking me, Jyoti is asking, I think, no, Jyoti is not asking. MD is asking distance between the point from the line. Previous, please go ahead on our channel. You see a all formula video. In that, PDF is given in the video itself. You go ahead, check the video out. There you'll find the formulas for distance of a point from a line. Okay. Yes, MD, this was for you. Yes, we'll be doing your counseling sessions, okay? College wise, everything will be done, don't worry. Love you, Prajwal. Okay, all of it's done, bacha. Abhinandan will do that. First you write the examination, no? We'll do all of that for your rank calculation, everything, okay? PDF notes I'll give you once I complete the live. I will go back. I'll just I have to download the PDF first. No, I have to get the annotations and then put it in the our group we have, and there we'll publish the PDF. Will not put in the group. We'll give the sessions PDF in the video itself today, not in the group. Video itself will give. Okay, I'll ask the team to give it to you. No need of sir. No, right now, bacha, there is no coupon code for Comet K. It's priced at 1,999 only. Okay. Nivedita, I understand, bacha. It's okay. It's okay. Whatever you are getting, you have to accept that part first. Then only you can improve, no? So right now, focus on the math and bio examination. Let's see what happens, and then whatever is the marks, will improve from there, right? We'll see what we can do. What are the approaches we have left? Okay, should we try next year? Should we, go for Comet K? We'll see that. Okay, don't worry. Right now. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Soumya, Vishu, Anup, Shamshad. I said Shamshad, no, we're gonna do bacha the calculation. Counseling videos will come, don't worry. Okay. Dilshad, bye. Yes, of course you can do that, Suresh. Please do it. Make me so happy. Okay, it makes me so happy if you do that. Sir, you teach in Comet K? Yes, I'm teaching in Comet K. Okay. Yes, what is the doubt? So will you teach in Comet K? Yes, I'm going to teach. Thank you so much, Anup, for joining in. Thank you, Sati. Thanks, sir, best teacher. Thank you, Ayush. So will you teach in Comet K? As I said, yes, I will. Nivedita, thank you, bacha. Yes, you can rock examination. Coupon code. There's no coupon code as such. You will not fail Comet K. Nobody, why would, that is not a statement, okay? No negative things around us. Only positive things. You're gonna do wonders everywhere. Just believe in yourself. Work hard and have faith. You're gonna do everything that you want to do. Nothing is gonna stop you. Okay, any sure question for KCET? After doing all of this, what more we can do, bacha? Tell me what more we can do. Okay, if you want PYQs, I've done PYQs. If you want some other questions, I've done top 100. Go ahead, check the questions on top 100. Those are not PYQs. Okay, thank you. Not expert in editing. Thank you, sir. Best teacher. Hello, Ravindra. Thank you. Nakul, sir. Love you, sir. Love you, bacha. Add doubt. Acha, one more thing now. Strictly go back, rest. Go back, rest, and go for your examination. Okay, no need to be live right now. I'm not teaching anything, right? No need to chat with me. You can chat with me after examination. I'm gonna come for live, right? Paper analysis. Then you can chat with me. I'll stay back. Don't worry. Right now, please go ahead and take some rest and go for examination. Okay, right now, please, guys, everyone, I cannot leave before you guys leave, so start leaving right now. Okay, all of you, all the best, all the love from my side. May God bless you. Take blessings from your parents and do well in the examination. Okay, but all these questions can I get, whatever it is, will come later once you are done with the examination. Right now, there's no need to think that ahead. Exams are there. We'll focus on the formulas. We'll focus on the learnings. We'll do that. All of the questions will be answered right now. What is important? Exam is important. So please, every thought that you have should be for that, nothing else. And try to keep your mind fresh. Okay, I'm telling you, it's difficult to perform if you are so much thinking in your mind. Okay, just keep calm. Let things go out of your mind. Take some deep breaths. Okay, relax. Bye guys. Bye. Love you, Prajwal. Bye, bacha. Please, bye guys. I'm asking you to go. That's what I'm asking. Leave. Then only I'll leave, and then only I'll give you the PDF, right? So please leave first, all of you. Okay. I'll give PDF notes, Shreyash. I'll give PDF notes. Okay. I'll give PDF notes. Should I give you right now only? Okay. Let me save this. Okay, so I'm saving it. All right, great. Okay, bye guys. Bye. All of you, bye. Go rest now and start working. Start preparing for examination. Take your admit cards, get ready, do all the preparations. Bye, bye Ravindra, bye Jyoti. Comet K, I don't have bacha. I think board marks consideration. Okay. Thank you for a response, sir. We are grateful to you always. I am also grateful to you. Okay, so we're working on it right now. Don't worry. Okay, we'll give you PDF right away. I will not waste any time. Just once the PDF is ready, I'll give it to you guys. Once the live ends, then only we can do that. Guys, please leave now. Bye, please. Okay, all of you, bye. Leave, please leave. Go rest now. Have a proper breakfast before you leave. Okay. But don't eat too many things. Little bit is going to be enough. Have some water, that is more than enough. Bye Alan, bye Adil, bye Bacha, bye Subalata, bye Pujita, bye Ghost Operator. Okay, reply sir. Yes, reply sir. Ghost Operator has asked something. Reply sir. Bye sir, bye Bacha, bye. You guys get angry at me, okay, all the time. Why? What I've done so wrong? Love you Ravindra. Bye Bacha. Last session done. Yes, we have one live left where we'll talk about the paper analysis once the paper is done. So we have that left. Hum to gaye. Bye Jakir. Bye sir. Bye Ashish. Bye guys. No, you will cook KCET today. Don't worry. Okay, have some faith. You'll do good. Chaliye. You guys were asking I saw some comments. Okay, sir, please give your mind for some time. Take it. Okay, if by telling I can give, I'm telling all of you, take my mind. Okay, do good in the examination. All right, I should do that. I asked my teachers the same thing. Thank you for teaching. Bye Varshini, bye Ashim, bye Shreyas. Yes, it's good to be nervous, bacha. It's good to be nervous. It means you want good things about this examination. You have some expectation. That is why you're nervous. But if don't get too much in the panic situation, because it will not help you in the examination. Take deep breaths. Remember the concept that you have learned and focus on the problem that you're solving. Keep moving forward. Maintain a proper speed. Don't get stuck on a problem. Okay? Chaliye. Sir, love your dedication. Mine is nothing. It's all your dedication, Shreyas. What I'm doing nothing, bro. Okay? Everything is done by you. Your exam, your results. I'm just helping it by 1%. No credit from my side. Everything is done from your side. Okay? Nothing from me. Thank you, sir, for teaching. Bye, Varshini, Pujita. Bacha, everything is good. First, try to get the examination. We'll see from there. Okay, 22 also is not bad marks. We'll see the total marks right now. Okay, if you've done a good marks in boards and we might get very good rank, then okay, why not? Okay. Yes, CKB. Yes, guys. See, Shreyas is asking for PDF. How will I give if I don't leave? So please leave, everyone. Okay. Bye. We'll miss you all. Okay, we'll miss you all in the regular teaching sessions. You guys were regulars in our sessions in the Comet K sessions, in all the live sessions. You guys were there, supporting us, loving us. Thank you, sir. Bye, Pujita. Yes, a good score to get top seat in 3 colleges. 150 plus, 160 plus in your KCET, and 295 plus in the boards. That's what is there. If you're looking for CS, yes. Okay. Yes, Ashish, very good. Thank you, Ashish, for joining in. Okay. All right. I'm very happy, Shreyas. Bacha. Okay, let's wind up the session now, guys. Tata, bye. Come on. Done. I'm very scared, sir. Scared, I keep telling you guys, scared is good. Scared means you want something out of it. Let's say if I'm writing exam, if I'm not scared means I don't want anything. I don't even care about the examination. Okay. Scared means I care about my paper. Second thing is, don't get too much stuck in that part, because if you get stuck, it will not help you. Being scared will not help you out. Okay. Scared, take positive. It's good. You want something good to happen, and then don't get too stuck in that emotion. Leave it. Make it in the ball and kick it out of your life. Okay. I do that into my emotions which I don't like. What it can do to you? Nothing. Okay. Being scared will not help you. It will just only destroy your confidence. So chip it away slowly. How can you do that? Focus on what you have learned. What is your preparation? Focus on that. Don't worry about the questions what is coming your way. Focus on what you have done. Remember how many hours you have studied. That is very important. Okay. Focus on that and think about that. Keep breathing properly if you are feeling anxious. Guys, team mechanical. I am also a mechanical engineer. I am also part of your team mechanical ghost operator. But 45 out of 180 will not be a good score. No, of course you know that, right? You have to work a little bit more on that. 71 of 80 is little bit okay, but not good. Anything plus 100 should be there, right? Don't you think? Thank you, Nayana. Bye, guys. Why are you coming back? Okay, so if you have new doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, please leave, take rest, and come back again for the paper analysis video. Okay, I'll be here. Bye. Okay, thank you, Vishnu. Anything else you have to ask, you can ask me. I'm here. Okay. Yes, all the best to everyone. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Tensed. You know, I had a student like you. She used to talk like you only. This is for Chaitanya Reddy. See, I had a student, I think 5-6 years back. She was like you, sir. Tensed. Why? After putting so much effort, why tensed? Okay, no need. You have done your work. Very good. Thank you so much, Prajwal. Sir, sleep. You know, actually did not sleep. I decided for the live in the night, slept at 2:30, woke up at 3:50. 1.5 hours I slept today, and then I'm here taking a live. I'll sleep after this. After today's live session, I'll sleep. I have a live in the evening as well, right? Okay. I'll sleep. Go. End it, man. Okay. Send PDF. Fine. I'm ending the session. See, Kiran is getting angry at me. Okay. So all the best, sir. Right well, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah, I have a doubt. What is the doubt? Bodhi Munde? That is not a doubt. Okay. So, why I'm not tensed. Guys, okay, so I have to end the session now. Even though all of you are live, I don't know why. Please leave, go study, revise if you have to revise something, and what do you call? Take some rest. I have to give the PDF to everyone. Okay. So, I'm ending the session right now. Take care. Bye. Bye. I'm ending the session right now. Everyone, all the best, all the love from my side. I don't want to go, but I have to because you guys are gonna waste your time. So let's end the session right away. See you in the live session of your paper analysis. All of you join. We'll discuss the paper. We'll see how it was. Okay. I hope it was going to be, you know, a rocking paper. We'll do good in the paper because if we have struggled in physics, chemistry, let's at least do good in maths. Sometimes it happens actually. Okay. So we'll do maybe paper of maths will become easy, and we'll be getting good marks in maths. Okay. So 45 plus marks in mathematics. It'll make our numbers average total good. Okay. Bye. See, now you guys gonna start scolding me, sir. PDF, please give fast, sir. Fast PDF, sir. I'll go now. Okay. Take care. All the best. All the love from my side. Don't worry. You have done your work. Everything is ready. No need to panic. No need to think too much about things. You are done. You are actually prepared. Okay. We have done everything that we can. In the last few times that we have to take rest. Okay. We have to believe in ourselves. That is all we need. Next, we have to perform in the examination. Okay, avoid bacha silly mistakes. Okay, in the things that you know, there only you can make silly mistakes and lose marks for no reason. So please avoid silly mistakes as much as you can. Be careful in what you're thinking. That can happen only if your mind is rested. So please go ahead and rest. Okay, if your mind is not rested, you will not do a lot of silly mistakes. Don't do that. Okay, rest your mind. How can you do that? You can do breathing exercises, do meditation for some time. It'll help you out. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so bye. Take care. Have a peaceful mind before the examination. Bye. Tata. No questions now. Tata. Bye. PDF I'll put right now. Once I end the session, I'll upload the PDF to our team, and they will upload the PDF in this session's video only. So video after the live is over, in the comment box we'll upload the PDF. Works? Okay. Bye. Bye.